All right, we are back at the boat. Been working on it the past few days, cleaning out the bilge. These are the two products we've been using, doing a lot of scrubbing, getting down in there. We've been working on the trim. We mounted the trim pump. We'll show you that in just a minute. The trim is working. And the next thing we realized we had that was bad was our shifter cable. This is the end of it that comes out here and attaches. It attaches right here. It attaches here. And this should move freely. This feels like it's moving pretty good. But it goes in the end here. And the cable broke off. So we are going to change that. We're waiting for the part to come in. It should be here hopefully tomorrow. It shipped today. And we'll show you how to change that. It looks to be pretty doggone easy. But let's climb up in there and I will show you the trim and how we mounted it. Alright, so looking into the bilge here, it's a lot cleaner than before. I know in a previous video I said I was going to change this cable. I still might. We're not sure yet, but currently the trim is working just fine. You can see how much cleaner this bilge is than it was before. We've gotten down in here just with that degreaser and scrub brush and such. We mounted the trim pump back in there. But what we did was we got some new screws and we raised it up off the floor so that water could move around and under it, and so that the metal isn't sitting. I don't know if you can see that. But the metal isn't sitting in the water all the time. Blower motor goes right here. We've disconnected it. We're going to replace the blower motor. It is underneath right here. We're going to replace that. We're going to replace that blower motor, and I'm thinking about replacing this bilge pump. Bilge pump works, but I'm thinking about replacing it and putting a bigger one in. It's a 500 was it gallons per minute or hour, whatever, bilge pump. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to replace this shift cable, and then we'll hopefully be able to float her in the water and see how she does. I believe we're going to have to change this gauge, so we'll order a new gauge. But that's where we're at with the boat currently.